this. Okay, yeah, so we got dash here. I did have a short position here, which was not much. I never entered the position. This never was valid. You can see it never broke this zone, so that was not a valid trade. So that's good. Never gave me confirmation. So now we're looking at this, like it's very, very bearish, way below this moving average. You got this huge bullish candle that, you know, coming out of this zone. So it did find resistance, but now you can see today, granted there's still 9.5 hours left, but it's pulling back heavily. You can see it's rejecting this $33 mark pretty significantly. So like a short position might be in order still, but for me there's no real price action or zones to, you know, signal a short position, minus this, you know, rejecting candle. But I mean, to short it down to here or here, which are, you know, like this is an area of resistance now, and this is a major area of resistance, so price likely won't go below these zones, like especially this one. So I don't see price going below 28 bucks without getting heavily bought up. So to me, the amount that you could make right here, the distance, is just not worth the taking the position. If we drop it down to or if we go onto the 4 hour here, yeah, like there's a bit of a zone here, but it's not really significant. Don't really like this. Yeah, so I mean, as far as dash goes, pretty yeah, I didn't even mark anything out previously, so I'm not really looking at dash as a possible trade setup. I mean, things can change though. We can actually mark out, there's a couple things we can mark out. So we'll put our September marker here. We don't really know our ranges because these cryptocurrencies are all over the place, and they're really tough to go off of. So like on average it moves 30 bucks a month, but last month it only did 8, you know, the month before that 18. So like I don't even know, like what is your range? Maybe $10, maybe $5, like you don't really know. So I don't like that, but I will draw a little line here because I'm curious about this. So this is 33 bucks, which seems to be holding. You can see rejected here is now rejecting here, so maybe something's forming. I mean, I'll look back at this maybe tomorrow or the day after and just see what it's doing. But I mean, this is kind of like the most you can get out of this right now is this, and like this is the most. So this is best case scenario. So, and I don't really, I don't even think it's probable. I don't think it's worth the risk. You can see you got a lot of bullish momentum out of this zone. You can see this massive candle. So like shorting this as it's moving upwards like this with this much momentum is stupid in my opinion. Even if this candle does heavily reject, there's still a lot of bull momentum out of this, you know, $30 zone or whatever this is, 30.80. So to me, there's really nothing right now. You can kind of see like this is an area of resistance, but it's just not, it's not significant enough for me to want to take. I mean, I can kind of see another area here, but you can see these candles, something like this, because price, you know, rejected, finally broke, and then coming up here, rejected, broke back down, now rejected. So yeah, this $33 level is somewhat significant, but not enough for me to consider any positions. So we're just gonna wait this out and see what kind of happens in the next few days. Maybe something will set up, maybe there'll be some more wicks, maybe it'll create a zone for me to enter on and consider a short position. But yeah, until then, we gonna have to just wait. So that's Dash.